Get back here!
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you have ever been on my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. You don't want to miss the content that I have on here. Today, I am meeting up with the famous Rich Rebuilds and our boy Steven. As you guys may already know, Rich got a Sherp. I need to drive this thing. So as soon as he told me, I was like, yeah, sure, I'll come back to work. Holidays are over. So obviously I dressed super warm because it's cold here in Massachusetts. But I'm super excited to drive this Sherp. I don't know how to drive a standard, but we're going to figure it out. They're coming up to the car right now, so I'm going to go. Okay. Stay tuned.
Is that what you're wearing today? What are those?
Yeah.
You knew what we were doing today. We're getting dirty today, remember? We're getting dirty.
Yeah,
you have to wear like not white
You look
clothes.
like Princess Leia with shittier hair.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong.
What is this?
There's nothing wrong with my hair.
Like
First
you're
off,
to go skiing. This is an après lifestyle.
well,
We're
I
working.
figured that these boots would go perfect with the Sherp because the Sherp like is badass.
How are you going to get
These
into the
are
shirt with those boots?
Yeah, how do you think you're going to operate the shirt?
He's gonna just lift me up.
You can't propel yourself into the shirt with those. You need like.
God forbid you start drowning. You guys swim in those? Yeah. What do you think this is?
Yeah,
You're like
Paddles.
mucking through the mud in that.
Yeah, no, it's going to be a problem.
all right. Well, I'm gonna go back home and change.
All right, see ya.
That'll take like an hour. Like, hey,
I'm
sell those?
so you guys can't. I can't with these two because
Yeah, you
so
know.
they gave me a Christmas gift. Okay, I already opened it.
Look at it go. Watch it dance.
Can you hear?
Put it down.
It's awkward. It's weird. I think I'm gonna quit. I took some photos with the Sherp. You guys, you see how red my hands are? I cannot, ow. It's so cold here. No wonder why, New England is so beautiful, but it is like, it's too cold.
I can't see anything. Am I good in the back?
And he's wearing glasses and he can't see. Weird. Rich does not know how to drive, you guys. He doesn't know how to shift.
No, listen to her.
I have no seatbelt. I'm so scared. This is sick.
It feels a lot faster when it's off-road, doesn't it?
This is so dangerous.
Oh, alternating is... I'm kidding. You okay? I told you to hold on.
I am! Oh my gosh, this is not meant for people.
I think it gets tactical here.
This is where I soon realized I had no idea where I was, what he was doing. I mean, look at my face. I'm petrified.
I wouldn't walk back here.
No, not this one.
I wouldn't walk back here either, and not in these shoes.
Probably make this clear out where I can ride the quad up over those.
Oh, yeah. There's some...
I'm so scared right now. Oh my god.
I think there's nothing fucking camera anyway, man. I've never been this far before.
Oh was gonna say.
All right, me and Steven, we switched. I'm in the front with the boss. Oh God, okay, let me show you guys this. Rocks. Oh, that doesn't matter. This is...
It just laughs at everything pretty much.
Whoa.
Steve-Von, you good?
This is so not safe back there. Like I was flying around like a little doll.
You bounced like crazy up there.
Rich finally parked this thing. Steven, you know how you get car sick?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get Sherp sick?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
I feel like I'm gonna yak.
Not in here. Just do it.
I wonder if Rich would kill me if I just pressed like all these buttons. He probably would kill me. I'm not cleaning this. This is pretty badass, you guys. This is like, I don't, emergency exit. Why didn't I use this before? I'm glad that these were here because I would have had to go to the hospital. But this is cool. And he's just modeling. I love, we're on an adventure, you guys. I don't even know where they're taking me, but look at this bridge. I love it. If you guys have followed me for a while, you guys know I love bridges.
That's my scenery right there. Look at that house. Look at that house over there.
Wow. Nice.
Pretty loud.
We just drove like 90 million minutes. And we're like... Rich gets out of the car and then leaves the door open and it's freezing. He just doesn't care about us.
I didn't know it was there until just now. The size of it.
Stepped in poop. And then...
Smells like that.
Dude.
Yeah, oh, I know. It's there.
Good job, Rich.
Jesus.
I just love how it sounds. It sounds just so beautiful. And then it looks beautiful. I mean, am I right or am I right? Why does he look like Rich has a little bit of hair?
I wish I had hair. Don't bring those memories back. That was back in my hand.
I got a new car, you guys. It's literally the nicest car I've ever owned, ever seen. I wish that they had more car shows that have these cars. So my ride is dope. Literally, this is A+ service here. I'm so excited.
Because
Up on the lift.
the centering, as long as it's able to. Right in front, dynamic.
Burnout. Oh my god!
Leenda, this car was faster than I thought it was.
I'm nauseous, guys. I had to step out. There's no way. I'm on an empty stomach. I'm wearing a waist trainer. Good Lord.
Why did he do that? Why did he just...
We got yelled at. So Steven's got the lighting on deck because it's super dark out now. We literally didn't eat all day, and this is what Rich decided to do. He knows that Burger King is better, but he decided he doesn't care about me.
Burger
So
King
we're
is
gonna
also
do.
a mile further away, so.
Yeah, and I was getting really grouchy because we decided to go and drive in a million different circles, making me car sick. So this is the current situation. Where did I sit before? I sat here.
Wherever you could fit it.
Whoa, have an extra cushion.
Okay. I'm scared.
Yeah.
You're good.
Kinda.
I believe in you. Bye, Leenda.
Don't be scared.
Bye, Leenda.
That's it for today, you guys. Rich made me super car sick, so I have got to go. I have a ton more videos coming. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss on future content.